loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Coach unboxing on one of my wish list items, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching this video. Hi loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mom, and here on my channel we cover all things designer related, from contemporary all the way up to luxury with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, I'm gonna try my best to show you this box because I feel like it's half my size. So let's see. So this is from the actual Coach store. You see how big this box is, guys. And it's gift wrapped. Whew, that was a lot of work. Alright, so it has a cute little thank you for shopping at Coach. Alright guys, here goes the box. I'm so excited to open this. Okay, so it's some more wrapping. Oh, it's wrapped really nicely, which I am excited about because I wanted to make sure this bag kept its shape. You guys, this is my birthday gift to myself, and I got the Coach Rogue. Oh. So this is in the color black with the gold hardware and the ox blood interior. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna take out all the stuffing so I can show you guys. So this is the regular size, which I think it's like the 30/31. I know the size 25 is the most popular size, but when I went into the store and I was trying on different ones, I did share that I wanted a bag that I could take into the office if I ever need to go in. And I do tend to carry a lot of things with me, and I also do love to take my lunch with me into work. So the 25 just didn't seem suitable, especially if I want to take like an iPad or something. It wouldn't have fit. So I decided to go with the 30, and also they do have the black one with the papaya interior, which is so beautiful, guys. I wanted it so bad, but the sales associate, she did tell me, she's like, look, if you're gonna be stuffing this thing and putting things that could possibly spill, no matter how careful you are, she said, you know, the papaya is going to show obviously a lot sooner because of the color. So the ox blood was kind of like a little safer color for me if it does get dirty. However, this color could still get dirty, the suede, so I still have to take care of it, but it's less likely to show as if it was the papaya interior. So guys, it's so beautiful. Now what I love about the Rogues is that you could hold it, you know, in the crook of your arm, top handle, you know, it's classy, or you can wear it over your shoulder as a shoulder bag, which you guys know I love my versatility. You can wear it over your shoulder as well. You see, do you see? Okay, and you can also wear it crossbody if you choose to. It comes with a crossbody. Now the sales associate did say for this size, she's like, you know, I wouldn't recommend necessarily wearing a crossbody because it is a little bigger. But however, I like that I could do it if I wanted to. If, you know, like I needed my hands free for whatever reason, I can do it. Now guys, I love the Rogues. I know that it's part of Coach's more luxury side, and I'm not gonna lie, I already want another one, all right, in a different size. I'm not sure what size though, because like I said, when I went into the store, I loved all of them. The two that caught my eye was the size 20, which is very new, and the 25, which is the most popular. So if any of you guys have the Rogues in one of those sizes, please comment down below which one you suggest. That would be good for like an everyday use. Retail goes for, this one was $850, but because I am a Coach insider, I was able to get a 10% discount for my birthday. So I paid $7.65 plus tax, so it still ended up coming out to $8 and change. But like I said, it was a birthday gift to myself. I love it. Now it does have a little bit of weight to it, I'm not going to lie. I'm not too crazy about heavy bags. It's just made so beautifully that I honestly don't even mind. And like I said, if I would have went with the 25 for work purposes or the days that I need to carry more things, I wouldn't be able to fit certain things that I would like in there. Inside has three, I want to make sure you guys could see, 3 compartments. So there's one side right here, one side right there. It has a big pocket on this side, and then it has like a little card pocket if you want to put your card in right there. And then it has one big middle compartment that you can zipper up. And it also has another pocket on the inside. Oh my god, like you don't understand how excited I am. Like, this was ordered online, and literally when I got the email that it was shipped out and I went to click on it to like read more about it, it was completely sold out online. And in the store they literally only had 2. One was in the back and one was a floor model. The one that was in the back I think was like a returned item, and I was like, no, I want something factory wrapped beautifully. So you know, it's a a birthday gift to myself, so I really wanted to enjoy the unwrapping part of it. So I decided to order it online. So I'll try to list it down below if you guys want to see it. But like I said, it wasn't showing online. You might have some luck if you want to go in the stores and get it. But she's so pretty. So this is going to be, I think I already know, starting a Coach Rogue journey for me so beautifully. Like, it's just so gorgeous. And this is pebbled leather, by the way, if I didn't mention that. It's the pebbled leather. I know some of them come in the smooth leather. I don't trust myself with, like, you know, getting scratches on it. This one is a little more durable, so I kind of went with this one. All right guys, so that's all for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my birthday gift to myself. This is the Coach Rogue regular size, again, which I believe is either the 30/31. It doesn't really specify the size online, but this is just the regular size that it comes with. They come in smaller sizes, they come in larger sizes, but for me, my frame is 5'1". I don't think I would go any bigger than the 30, because the other sizes that I tried on in the store that were bigger, they just looked not right with my body. Okay, so I think if you're kind of like my frame and you want to carry a lot of stuff and you're looking at the Rogue, I would say 30 is a safe bet, but anything bigger than that I probably wouldn't go with. Again, for my frame, I'm 5'1". Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.